Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but now let's talk about Fetch.Ai. If you are part of the Fetch.Ai community, or if you're a holder, you guys know it's been having a tremendous amount of, week and a half, and a lot of excitement, definitely, because the price is increasing and retesting some prices that we have not seen for literally 6 to 7 months. We're going to be talking about what exactly is next, and of course, that is a reason as to why we do these analysis videos. So if you guys are enjoying this, continue smashing that like button, hitting that red subscribe button. But now let's talk about it. So if we're looking at FET's price, it's currently sitting at 51.5 cents. You guys can see it's seeing a little bit of a minor retracement, about 3.4% in USD comparative, also down about 4% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the past 24 hours. But if we're focusing on its market cap continuously holding above the $500 million mark, which is great to see. And the 24-hour trading volume is around the same as to where it was yesterday at $235 million. You know, a lot of people tend to ask the question where they can purchase FET. If you guys are doing your due diligence and research and are interested in purchasing it, it would be listed on all the major exchanges pretty much. Binance, MEXC, you guys can get the list. Coinbase, on CoinGecko, you can get all the list of where FET is listed. But let's talk about the price, because that is what everyone is here for. Before we get into the price, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, you know, FET is having a tremendous week. If I were to bring out the measuring tool for you guys, and if we were to see how far it has been going, pretty much from October 20th, we have seen an increase of about 176%. So a significant bounce. And of course, we're seeing AI coins being talked about more than ever, because as you guys know, ChatGPT is a thing. AI is being talked about so much in the traditional finance world, and forget about the finance world. You know, in general, people talk about artificial intelligence, and coins like FET are the ones that a lot of people have their eyes on. But like I said, artificial intelligence, the amount of demand it's quite high. But with that said, the competition out there for these AI coins is tremendous. There's thousands of coins, but in my opinion, FET is one of the favorite ones. If you really focus on the AI community, FET is one of the ones that is being talked about quite a bit. And you guys can see it had an all-time high of $1.20 last bull cycle. Was one of the 100x coins from the previous cycle, especially if you picked it up during the Binance IEO days. But with that said, let's take a closer look as to what is happening. So we were very close hitting a new yearly high yesterday. You guys can see the price went up to 57.68 cents. Never managed to get back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, because, you know, once the price does enter this green zone, this is where the official new yearly high comes into play. We're seeing a little bit of a minor retracement, especially if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame. A little bit of a healthy correction, which is totally normal. You guys can see this for yourself. We've seen a 11% retracement. Again, like I said, very normal after having 170% pump in a matter of a month, literally a month. Because if you picked it up on October 20th, a month later, you know, it went up almost 3 times that. So, you know, it's definitely having its time, and it's definitely gaining a lot of traction this time around. And of course, a lot of people are going to come out and say, oh, this is exactly like what we have seen in the previous fake out altcoin rally that we did see at the beginning of the year. And I understand where people are coming from, but one thing a lot of people don't understand is at the end of last year, 2022 December, you guys can see the price of FET was at 6.9 cents, and compared to its low of 2023, that was at 17.7 cents. So you guys get the difference. That's a price difference of, let's look at the price difference as well. So that's a price difference of almost 165%, guys. So, you know, we need to keep this factor in mind. In a way, it's created a higher high and a higher low. And this time around, you know, if we're able to push back out of this resistance, especially get back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, we're targeting targeting some levels that we have not seen for quite some time. So 67.5 cents is a realistic price target for FET in my personal opinion, if it's able to clear this zone where we're currently at. So of course, the previous resistance is coming into play as a level of support. As the price is correcting a little bit, we're being supported by that range, which is great to see. But if this momentum were to shift and we're starting to rally back into the 0.50 and actually crack past that and hit a new yearly high, a 67 to 68 cents is a realistic price target in the short term. So FET definitely still has a lot of momentum on its side, and I'm very, very excited to see what it does. But do pay very close attention to BTC, because Bitcoin Dominance Index is spiking up a little bit, which is causing a lot of altcoins to be in the red right now. But I think we're going to see FET breaking out once again in the upcoming days ahead of us. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.